Justin,
Oh.
what you're gonna want to do is you'll have to wear that.
Yeah.
But get on the other side. Okay, what you want to do is you don't want to hold this. You want to let that out.
I was just trying to use it to keep the two ends steady.
Yeah.
You want me to let go?
Yeah.
Of the...
Yeah. Let that out. Otherwise, see how much easier it is to do now.
You bet.
Okay. You have to hook that.
I got the hook there.
Did you hook it?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So we're all hooked up already. What we'll do is stop that. Right there's the bottom.
You ready to climb in? I'll hold it.
Yeah, I might have to do this backwards. Okay, what we're going to need to do, Justin, is we're going to have to go out straight out. Keep an eye, look out for stuff. Okay, you hop in.
Am I sitting right here or right here?
About on the corner.
Right there?
Yeah.
All right. You ready for me to hop in?
Yeah. Hop in. Whoa, grab the rudder. Quick, grab the rudder and turn us. Push it down. Okay, turn us. Turn. Yeah, yeah. There you go. I should have brought the. Oh, we're going the wrong way. Okay, turn it the other way. We've got to come about. Turn it the other way. Turn it so we go that way.
I got it turned all the way over.
Okay. We're cotton irons. Oh. We don't want to go in that trees. Turn it. Yeah. Should have brought the paddles. Oh no.
Are we gonna be in the tree?
Yeah.
Can we still get out, or you want me to get out and push us?
You might need to get out and push us if you can. I wouldn't go out that. I go out this side because you don't want to get in between the boat.
There we go. Sail's clear.
Okay. And if you can turn us around to where we're pointing straight out almost. No, that way.
Yeah, I'm just flipping my side. Oh, a lot of rocks. All right.
Okay.
You ready for me to jump back on?
Hop in. Oh. Okay, we're going. Turn us back quick. Yeah. There. Get more tighter. Yeah, there we go. All right. That's good. Hold it right there. Hold it right
there?
there. Yep, hold it right there and point us that way. Keep it, nope. Yeah, keep us going that way.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. Keep your eye over there. That's the way we gotta go. And we gotta clear that little rocks out there. Okay, we're gonna come about. You're gonna turn sharp that way, and I'm gonna keep the sail out, but you turn us that way.
Tell me when.
Now.
And then we duck.
Yeah. Okay, straighten us out. We gotta go straight out that way. Out that way.
Oh, so keep going?
Yeah, keep going. Yeah, till our sail catches. Okay, go that way. Go towards that buoy, because we're going towards the rocks. Right there, straight ahead.
Okay.
Keep it straight.
All right.
A little more to port side, because we're,
Stay on the port of that buoy.
yeah, stay on port of that buoy, and more port, because we're going into the wind
Okay.
too much.
That far enough over, or
Yeah,
keep going?
that's good. Hold us. No, a little more to port.
Okay.
A little more port. I'm trying to watch the point out there.
Should I stay where I was, I guess?
No, you can come over. You can stay in the middle or over here.
All right.
But we need a little more port. Yeah. Now you said you were in the Marines, right?
Navy.
Navy. Okay, so you know bow, stern,
Yes, sir.
port, starboard. Okay.
I never had to do this in the Navy, though.
Actually, this is supposed to be a thing to hold this. But I don't know.
Are we
if it-
still good distance?
Yeah.
We're gonna
We're good.
clear those rocks.
Yeah, we're a little more port because we're.
Just hold it right there.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a little wet, but we're in the water.
You cats. Is the wind quitting or is it shifting? Let's come about.
So
Nah,
aim us that way?
Yeah. Keep going. Keep going.
Oh, the rope's around my rudder.
Yeah, yeah.
Right there?
Yeah, there we go. A little more starboard. A little more starboard. Yeah.
It's like driving a trailer. You gotta figure out which way the rudder pulls you.
Yeah, a little more starboard. Yeah.
A little more?
Yeah.
Right there?
Yeah. Well, we're we're launched.
I was fishing out of here just this week on my kayak. Just fishing all these docks up here.
Are you catching anything?
Nothing.
Okay, because my friend Denny, he's been getting skunked. Everybody we know's been getting skunked. I got skunked 5 times, so I haven't been out since the middle of July or end of July. Okay, we're gonna come about.
Okay. Just turn it hard.
Yeah, turn it hard. Add more port. That's good. Yeah. A little more star. Whoa, 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 here we go.
You found the wind. Hold it there, or you want it more starboard?
More port.
More port?
No, too much. We don't want to go towards those rocks. Yeah, there we go. That's
Good there?
yeah. Hold it.
Past
right
the buoy? Okay. Buoy's right there.
Yeah. Yeah. We don't want to hit that thing.
You need me to hold that so you can get on your cushion?
It's just I'm cramping up in my left leg.
Yeah.
My left leg and foot were cramping up this morning. I had to get up out of bed and walk on it to, but it's still, I don't know why it's cramping up. Yeah, I gotta go my leg.
Oh, we're just a matching pair because I got an issue in my right leg.
I would sit over here so you got, you know, more, because cut us back port. Because we're just okay, we are under sail. We have the right of way over motorboats, and this guy's gonna have a big wake, so go more starboard now. Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Hold it there.
Yeah, hold it there.
We'll just take his wake head on.
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
This is a fun part. Told my wife I was gonna bring rum because we'll be like pirates. And she told me no drinking on the sailboat. Hold it right there.
Yeah. A little more port because we're losing our wind. That's good. That's
Right there?
good. Yeah, that's good. Okay, we want to hit these straight on. Get ready for a rock and roll ride.
Nice.
Okay.
Our first wakes.
What?
Our first wake. My first wake in a sailboat. Been wake surfing, been knee boarding, never sailboating on a wake.